Hi, I'm Jen from Gorilla Glue, and today I'm going to show you how to use Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks. Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks are incredibly tough and versatile and provide a long-term hold on hard-to-bond surfaces. These hot glue sticks work in both high and low temperature glue guns. Use the low temperature for delicate materials and the high temperature for strong bonding. The clear adhesive features an extended working time of 45 seconds for added convenience on all types of projects. Gorilla Hot Glue is also weather resistant. Keep your projects safe from seasonal temperature swings. Using Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks is easy. Just follow these instructions. Insert your glue stick into your glue gun and decide what temperature should be used. We recommend testing the product before its intended use. The working time is dependent on the amount of glue applied and the temperature of the glue gun. Then, wait for the glue and gun to heat up to the desired temperature. Once it has reached the appropriate level, apply the glue to your project. After you've finished your project, store the glue sticks in a cool, dry location. If cleanup is necessary, wait for the glue to cool, then scrape it off. Gorilla Hot Glue comes in both full-size and mini sticks, which differ by diameter. Each of those sizes comes in a 4-inch and an 8-inch length. The stick size you will need will be indicated on your hot glue gun. The Gorilla Dual Temp Mini Glue Gun is an ideal tool for crafts and repairs. It is lightweight, with a comfortable grip and a built-in stand, making it easy to use. The easy squeeze trigger and long insulated nozzle allow for a precise application on whatever project you're working on. The Gorilla Dual Temp full-size hot glue gun is an ideal tool for crafts and home projects requiring more glue output and volume. It's lightweight with a comfortable grip and built-in stand, making it easy to use. The easy squeeze trigger and long insulated nozzle allow for a precise application on any project. Thanks for watching. Check back for more Gorilla Tough tips and project ideas.